So my name is Sukriti Sneha and I'm from Amity University, Kolkata. Currently, I'm pursuing MBA. I stay in hostel of Amity University, Kolkata. I'm a hostler, so today I will give you an overview of hostel and the hostel life. The hostel is inside the campus, and the campus is located at Newtown, which is the main city. The hostel is inside the campus, so there is no need of any transportation. The students can go from hostel to campus very easily by walking. So there is no single room. So it's like a flat. Two rooms are there. One room is occupied by two people. So basically, in one flat there are four people. The room allocation is like something. Same stream students are preferred in one flat. Like I'm from MBA, so my roommate and roommates are also from MBA. In the hostel are provided with the air conditioning. So the fees of the hostel is 1,32,000 per year. Security money is 15,000 for 2 years, which will be refunded after the completion of the course. Generally, students are not allowed to go outside the campus on weekdays. On weekdays, they can only go out at the break time, which is 12:50 to 1:50. On weekends, students can apply for a pass if they want to go outside the campus. There are two types of passes: day out pass. The timing of day out pass is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the timing of night out pass, which is also from 9 a.m. until whenever they want, which has to be approved by the warden and from the parents as well. Only for the night out, parents' approval is required. There is no mess included in the hostel facilities. There are three canteens. Students can have food from any of the canteen, which is pay and eat system. There is one washroom provided in each flat. Four people use one washroom, which is usually clean. The housekeeping cleans the washroom and the rooms on the daily basis. Laundry services are provided for the students. For the security purpose, there is recognition machine which is usually done by the hostel people so that any of the day scholar cannot enter in the hostel premises, and many of the security guards are also available, and CCTV cameras are provided in each floor for the security. No any specific securities. It's like all the girls should enter the hostel by 10 p.m. daily. There is a attendance register they have to sign, and then they can go to their rooms. Students are provided with the Wi-Fi facility, and electricity is available for the students 24/7. Yeah, and geysers are also available for winters, hot water for drinks. Out of 5, I will give 4.5 out of 5.